In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and manage multiple accounts in Microsoft Teams. Navigating multiple roles can be a breeze if you have everything organized in one place, and Microsoft Teams offers this functionality to streamline your communication and collaboration efforts. Now let's dive into it, starting with the basics of adding an account. First, make sure you have the Microsoft Teams app open on your device. Having it readily available is essential, as this is where you'll manage all your communications. Once you have it open, focus your attention on the top right corner of the interface. Here, you'll notice your profile picture or initials if you haven't uploaded a photo. It's your gateway to account settings. Click on your profile picture. A drop-down menu appears giving you several options. Among them is Add Account. Selecting this option allows you to seamlessly manage multiple accounts from one application without the hassle of logging in and out repeatedly. Next, it's time to enter the details of your additional account. Start by typing in your work or school email address. It's important to ensure that the email you are entering is correctly spelled and is associated with your team's account. Precision here saves you time in troubleshooting later. Once the email address is in, the next screen will prompt you for your password. Enter this carefully to avoid login hiccups. Depending on your organization's security settings, there's a chance you will encounter multi-factor authentication at this stage. This is an added layer of security where you might be asked to verify your identity through a mobile device or another method assigned by your organization. Just follow the instructions provided to authenticate successfully. With this step complete, you have seamlessly added an account to your Microsoft Teams app. But what if you need to switch back and forth between different accounts? Well, Microsoft Teams has made this exceptionally user-friendly. You can switch between your accounts with ease. To do this, click on your profile picture once again. You'll notice that, along with your primary account, the new account you just added is visible. Switching takes just a click on the desired account name. This feature is particularly useful for those who balance various roles, ensuring you don't miss out on important communications from any of your workspaces. That's all there is to it. You're now equipped to add and manage multiple accounts within Microsoft Teams, optimizing your routine for ultimate productivity. Remember, the key to effective communication is keeping things consolidated and streamlined. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any more questions about using Microsoft Teams, feel free to explore other resources or leave comments for further clarification.